Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to edit a watermark to my image using Lightroom Classic. You can use a text or your logo as a watermark. And also we will see how to remove watermark templates. Let's begin. In Lightroom apps, click Lightroom Classic on the very top of left corner, then edit watermark. From here, add your text as a watermark. When it is select text as watermark style. From here you can control your text like size, shadows, colors, opacity and font. Then save the watermark preset. Now you can use your watermark when it export to your image. Just you need to check watermark and select your watermark preset and export. And if you want to use your logo as a watermark, then Lightroom Classic, edit watermark, select graphic, then select your image or PNG file which you want to use. And edit the settings as per your requirement and save it. And export. Now you want to delete the watermark preset, then go to edit watermarks and select watermark from here. And again click here, then delete preset. Now hope it is help you. Thanks for watching. See you on next video. Bye bye. Take care.